The process of transforming coal into diesel fuel is a fascinating journey of chemistry and innovation, primarily through coal gasification. This method begins by heating coal in the presence of oxygen and steam at high temperatures, which results in the production of synthesis gas, commonly known as syngas. This gas is a mixture of hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. The key component of this transformation is the Fischer-Tropsch synthesis, a catalytic chemical reaction that converts syngas into liquid hydrocarbons. During this process, the syngas is purified to remove impurities like sulfur and carbon dioxide, ensuring a cleaner conversion. The purified syngas is then introduced into a reactor containing an iron or cobalt catalyst, where it undergoes a series of chemical reactions. These reactions rearrange the molecules, creating long-chain hydrocarbons that form a waxy substance. This waxy material is then hydrocracked, a process that breaks down the long chains into shorter ones, resulting in a liquid fuel similar to conventional diesel. This synthetic diesel can then be refined and used in vehicles, providing an alternative energy source derived from coal. This conversion process not only diversifies energy resources, but also offers a cleaner burning fuel compared to traditional coal combustion.